In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match bank deposit transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is a really important step for keeping your books clean and making sure what's in QuickBooks actually lines up with what's in your bank. First, once you're signed in to QuickBooks Online, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on either Banking or Transactions, depending on how your version is labeled. This is where QuickBooks pulls in the activity from your connected bank accounts so you can review and categorize everything. When you're in the Banking section, make sure you're on the For Review tab at the top. This tab shows you transactions that QuickBooks has imported from your bank, but that you haven't fully dealt with yet. Here, you want to locate the specific bank deposit you're trying to match to your existing records in QuickBooks. It may help to sort or filter by date, amount, or even search by the dollar value to find it more quickly. Once you've found the correct deposit, click on it to expand the details. Under the transaction, you'll see options for what to do with it. Choose the option labeled Find Match. This tells QuickBooks that you're not trying to create something new, but instead link this bank deposit to transactions that already exist in your books, like invoices or sales receipts. After you click Find Match, QuickBooks will display a list of possible matches. These are usually based on things like the amount, the date, and the customer or payee. Take your time here and carefully review what's shown. Look for the transaction or transactions that make up the total of that bank deposit. Check the box next to the correct one. If your deposit represents several invoices that were paid together and then deposited as one lump sum, select all of the applicable invoices that add up to that exact deposit amount. Double-check that the total of the selected items matches the deposit shown at the top. This is key to keeping everything accurate. When you're confident that you've chosen the right match, click Save or Accept. QuickBooks will move that bank deposit out of the For Review tab and record it as matched to those specific transactions. That's it. Your deposit is now properly linked, and your bank feed and your books are in sync.